So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about hotspot components, what they are and how they work in your scenario. So a hotspot component is essentially an image with clickable areas, and when you click on those areas, you can perform certain actions within your scenario. So I'll set one up here as an example. Let's choose hotspot, and as I said, they're a background image with clickable areas. So the first thing we need to do is choose our image. I've got a map of Europe uploaded here. I'm just going to adjust the Y position a little bit there. Okay, so now we've got the image in place. We need to add some hotspots. We need to enable the hotspot manager. So we either press the manage hotspots button here, or we can double click on the image. So I'll just press this image here. And once we're in this mode, you'll see this banner across the top here telling us what we can do. We simply have to click anywhere on the image to create a hotspot. So I'll add one in Italy, one in the UK, Spain, France, Scandinavia. That'll do as an example. It's one over here, one over here. So you'll see the hotspot list being populated down here. So we've now got 7 hotspots. And if I play that step, you'll see there it is. But nothing happens at the moment because we've not set anything up. So to set the actions for these hotspots, we need to edit them. So what we can do is just click on them on here and it'll bring up the hotspot editor here. So simple things we can do, we can add a tooltip. And you'll see the tooltip shows on hover. As well as that, we also have access to the action editor with an event of when pressed. So when the hotspot is pressed, we can now perform any action we could elsewhere in your scenario. So in this example, I'll show some media and we'll bring up the picture of a pizza. Why not? So now if I play this through as an example, you'll see if we click on this, we get the image. And it doesn't have to be limited to showing media, obviously. So if I take this one as an example, when it's pressed, as I said, you have access to all of the actions that you'd normally have access to in the action editor. So you could actually say when you click on that, let's go to a specific step. And if we don't like how the hotspots look, we have a couple of options here. So we can change the icon, something that you want. Let's go for the arrow. We can also change the color. Nice and garish there. So hopefully that gives you an idea of what a hotspot component is and how you can use them in your scenarios.